This is our 2020 GMC Yukon XL Denali. It has forward collision alerts as well as a heated steering wheel and cruise control. It has the heads-up display, trailer brake controller, and memory settings. It has Bluetooth as well as Apple CarPlay, heated and cooled seats, and the screen can lift up and has more storage behind. There is also the sunroof, as well as the universal home remote. It has the power assist steps. It has a silver exterior with a black interior. It also has the power liftgate. The seats are also power folding. In the back seat, it has its own set of climate controls as well as heated seats. It also has the TV, as well as Bose sound system. And that is our 2020 GMC Yukon XL Denali. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or would like further information, visit GoMeyerMotors.com.